Okay, you're watching Lishu Akram, and we have debate once again. And topic of the debate is caste census. Should it take place in India or not? So both the teams are ready. We are ready. Hopefully, you are ready. So let's get it started.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Muhammad Ishan, and today, after a long time, I am here. We are debating at Ideal Academy on a super califragilistic topic, and the topic is census. That caste census should be brought in India or not, as our government is thinking that it should be brought. So, I am in the favor of it, and I think that it should be brought. First of all, I would like to mention about the equitable representation and marginalized visibility. It means when we will have caste census, so we will have accurate data of people, we will have real and accurate number of people, that how many people belong to in which caste, how many castes we have, and what is the condition of people, what are they doing to live, how their caste is affecting their life, and the most important is how is their condition today. So at that time it would be easy to focus on every caste and make everyone equal and just uplift the level of people. But that opponent team like Afsha, Sabah, they have a question that when we already have a census, then why do we need caste census? So I want to give an example of book. We have a book, so it is categorized in the chapters and units. Why? So that a student can study, and it is easy to study, so that students can study easily and understand the things easily. Just imagine you have a book but there are no chapters and units, all the things you have to understand yourself. At that time it would be difficult to understand that. So same thing is with the caste census, that today we are doing census, we have a data that we have 141 crore people living in India, but when we will have caste census, so we will have accurate data that how many people are from SC, ST, OBC and other backward classes. That's it.
So, hello everyone. My name is Samya, and today once again I am standing here to do debate on a very amazing and crucial topic, which is about caste census. As we all know very well that our government is thinking to implement this policy in India. So, in my perception, it's very bad to implement this policy in India. Why? Because I think that when this policy was implemented in 1931 at the time of Britishers, so at that time, Britishers implemented this policy to divide the people of India, and they did as well. And now, if we implement this policy, so it will be very bad for our country. Why? Because we can see that on the one hand, our government, Modi ji is saying that we all will be together, so we will be developed. And on the other hand, that dividing the people, it's good. It's totally bad. And to the development of the country, it's not important, as they all are mentioning that for the development of the country we need caste census. Why we need caste census? For the development of the country we need good education system, we need employment, but in India we don't have employment, and we don't have good education, we don't have good infrastructure. So why? Because of this all the reasons we are not developing, as they all were mentioning about Bihar, Karnataka, Telangana. In Karnataka, do you know that why Rahul Gandhi said that caste census should take place in and all? It that was the politician game. They that was politician game. Sir, that was politics.
Politics.
That was yeah, that was political game for getting vote. They did like this, and they won as well just because of this policy. And in Bihar, do you know that in Bihar they are mentioning that we have data of Bihar, this happened and that happened, as Shabnam sister was also mentioning. And after that, cabinet of Bihar was saying that this data is wrong. And after getting data and after spending this much money, they are saying this is wrong. So what's the benefit of that? They have invested this much money. If they invest that money on education sector, so that will be better. Now they have wasted money also. So I would
Okay.
say that it will be waste of money.
Okay. So the first thing which they are thinking, and similarly Afsha also mentioned that why do we need caste census? We have other factors also, we should focus on that, like we have a healthcare, we have a education sector, we need to focus on our infrastructure. Look at that this is not good. Sister, I would like to say, when we will do caste census, So it's not like that only one person is there to rule all the country. He will focus on caste census. He will, as well as that same person will focus on the healthcare system, education system. No,
I'm not saying
listen,
that only one
listen,
people-
listen,
one
listen,
person
listen.
will
Let
do.
me speak.
I'm saying
Let me
that all
speak. It's
will
my
do,
turn to speak.
but-
It's my turn. Listen. So it's not like that. And you are thinking that caste census will be done, so Modi ji will come to your home and ask, Mitro, means from which caste you are, how many people live in your family, these all things will happen. Obviously not. We have ministers, we have leaders, we have employees, we have a lot of people to do the census and to focus on healthcare system, on education system and all. And I would ask one thing to you today. You are coming here and saying, if we want to do the development of our country, we need to focus on education system, on healthcare system. Why are we bringing the caste census? For last 100 years, approximately 90 to 100 years, we have not seen caste census in our India. How much have you developed? How much?
We
Do you
didn't
have good
develop-
infrastructure today? No, it has been 75.
But
Listen,
in
listen, listen,
one-
listen, listen,
but-
listen. Let me speak. It has been more than 75 years that we got freedom, but still there is no development. Caste census was not done in this time period. Then we should do this at the time so that in future we will not have regret that if we would have done this, then we will have developed today. So it would be good at that moment. Next thing you
Brother, do you
mentioned,
know,
listen,
listen to me.
listen.
Brother,
Okay, speak.
do you know in 2011 caste census took
No
place?
caste census, only census was done.
But why they didn't reveal data? They invest money on it. Why they didn't reveal data? Because they know they are unable to find the good, accurate data. So why they are wasting money on this thing? At that time also happened, and now this will happen. So it will be wastage of money. I don't think. So why our government is not thinking? Oh, do you know in reservation we have reservation? If they want to uplift lower caste people, so we can't add other thing in reservation also.
Listen, you are thinking that people will be divided, and all the people are thinking the same, that people will be divided. It is a political game. So I would like to say that when we will have accurate data, okay, so whenever policy scheme will be made, so it would be made properly, okay, and all the people will be able to take benefit of that. All the affirmation actions and welfare schemes will be done, and that would be more effective than today. Why?
Do you know, brother,
listen,
to implement and-
listen, because we will see that we are making a scheme for OBC people, so we will have accurate data that for how much people are we making this policy. And at that time, what will happen? We will be able to focus on every caste, every category of the people. It won't be like that we have launched the scheme, but half of the people are able to take the benefit of the scheme, and half of the people even don't know about the scheme.
Do
So
you
this
know,
thing won't happen
do
at
you
that
know,
moment.
brother, in reservation also we are facing inequality. Why? Just because people are getting face certificate also after caste census, it will be happen as in reservation it is happening.
Listen, I think they have come here with the determination that yeah, caste census is not good. Whatever I
Yeah,
will tell,
because
whatever I
we
will
have-
tell, whatever
we
I
have
will tell.
analyzed
Listen,
it.
listen, sister, listen. Some of you can come here and mention about the reservation. That when we have reservation, so why do we need caste census? We can modify this also. So I would like to say that court has said that we can to just do the reservation better, to just make the reservation better, and to just make a level up of the reservation, we need quantifiable data. It means accurate data, accurate number of the people in every caste, by which what will happen, people will be able to get the benefit of the reservation. It won't be like today, like some of the people are making the fake certificate and getting the benefit.
So
It
why
won't be like
nowadays
that.
a lot of the people are here, those are making face certificate and they are successful in their life. Do you know, before some days a girl has cracked the UPSC exam with the help of OBC certificate,
So what?
and she was from general category. So this thing
So that's
happens
not,
in
listen,
India.
listen, that's not,
Corruption is
listen,
here,
listen.
inequality
At
is
that time,
here,
I would say,
fight takes place
listen,
because
I
of
would
these
say at
things.
that moment that when this thing is happening, people are making the fake certificates. Listen. At this moment, I would say that people are making the fake certificates, people are getting the benefit from the fake certificates. So it is not fault of caste census or certificates of OBC, ST and OBC. That's the fault of government and government employees, that they are corrupt and they are not focusing on these all things.
If
That's
our
it.
government